Just slow, cause I'm gonna get to the phone later on.
Christmas.
To the phone. Well, look, I this phone right here. This phone.
Well, you sure take that, girl.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't have nothing to cover the stuff up with. That's cinnamon and apple. It won't choke you.
Yeah, that's nice.
I always did like that cinnamon smell.
I do too.
Grandma
I like
used
it
that
too.
bowl of cinnamon.
Yeah. Cinnamon.
What is that?
For your glasses.
For
When you're not
glasses.
wearing them, you
Oh,
let them
for
hang
your
on your
glasses.
shirt. Yeah.
All right.
Hang on your short.
You shoot your eye.
Eyeglass cleaner.
Hey, yeah, that's what I need right there now. Eyeglass cleaner.
Yeah.
Hand warmer.
There you go. Oh boy,
You're gonna have to keep those.
that's nice too.
Yeah, you gotta put those up as kids.
Yeah. They be here, the kids.
It's a little prayer book. You can write stuff down in it.
Hey, that's good. I like that. Yeah, thanks, Lord.
You're welcome. There's Bible verses in it too.
I think that's what I like about it.
Yeah.
Hand cleanser.
Hand sanitizer. Yeah, I did the best I could for everybody.
Hey,
Yeah.
Lori, that's all you can do.
It is.
That's for
Keep
your
the faith.
keychain.
Amen. I like that.
Yeah.
Keep the faith.
Keep the faith. Keep the faith.
Need to put on back in here.
You gotta take it in the machine.
That way it don't get lost.
And the kids too. Yeah. Hey, I just wonder.
Yeah, you put them on your glasses in case you want to hang them on your shirt or something.
Yeah. Nice for that.
Keep you from losing them.
And set it over there, Joe. Sit on the table.
Might want to put them somewhere else.
Yeah, when the kids come.
Kids will be here.
That's when the kids come. You have to put all that stuff in my room.
In his room, a lock and door.
Or put it in your room, Joe, yeah.
All right.
Take that stuff from mine, put it in your room now.
Hold on.
In
Light,
about 5 minutes, check the turkey and see if it's done.
I got this shirt.